Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best pocket microscope is probably one of the most exciting tools for young scientists. Today, we're diving into the world of portable pocket microscopes designed specifically for kids. These compact devices offer a fantastic way to explore the microscopic world, from examining plant cells to observing tiny insects. Join me as we explore the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of these educational gadgets, helping you decide if one is right for your child. Number 5. TOMLOV DM4S 1000X Digital Microscope with 4.3 screen. This versatile digital microscope is designed to spark curiosity. It's easy to use and perfect for anyone interested in science or engineering. It's also a great tool for coin collectors. The large 4.3-inch screen displays crisp images and high-quality videos without any lag. This eliminates eye and neck strain compared to traditional microscopes. It does not rely on Wi-Fi or a signal. It features 8 built-in LED lights around the lens, plus 2 adjustable base lights. These lights reduce reflection and make the image much clearer on the screen. The microscope offers a magnification range from 50x to 1000x, allowing you to see incredible details. The actual magnification may vary depending on the screen size and distance to the object. You can take photos and record videos with the included 32GB SD card. This allows you to save and share your discoveries with others. Connect it to your computer to observe on a larger scale. No extra software is needed, just use the default camera app on your Windows or Mac system. It's built with a solid aluminum alloy frame for long-term use. This makes it ideal for micro-soldering or repairing printed circuit boards. What we like? This microscope features a large 4.3 screen, eliminating eye strain. It also supports PC view, allowing for observation on a larger scale. If you're looking for a versatile microscope suitable for both detailed viewing and potential soldering tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. I was very surprised at the quality of the images. There's no vignetting. The image was clear and flat across the entire screen. It was steady, well lit. I appreciated being able to adjust the brightness of the objective LEDs and gooseneck LEDs separately. The base is metal and stabilizes the scope. Number 4. Celestron Kids Microscope, 44116. Introducing the Celestron Kids Microscope. It's designed to let your child discover the hidden details of the world around them. This amazing tool makes learning fun and exciting. This microscope is so compact that it fits right in your pocket. You can take it anywhere, from your backyard to a faraway field trip. It's ready for adventure. With this microscope, you can view incredible details. See the hairs on an ant's legs or examine prepared slides. It opens up a whole new world of discovery. The built-in LED illuminator provides extra light. This feature makes it easier to see the specimens clearly. It ensures a bright and detailed view. This microscope offers a zoom range from 60x to 120x magnification. It allows you to get a closer look at the smallest details. Get ready to be amazed by what you find. What we like? This pocket-sized microscope is designed for portability and ease of use. The LED illuminator ensures clear viewing in various conditions. If you like exploring the world around you and want a simple, portable option for quick observations, this is a great choice. What people say. The 60 to 120 power adjustment is through the full range, not just 60 or 120, lets you set it where it works best. The LED is nice and bright, and the scope stands on a flat surface very well. It has a small size but provides a fun range of magnification, is easily focused, has a good light, and you can clearly look at any flat surface with microscopic magnification unlike a typical microscope. Number 3. Andonstar AD203 Handheld Digital Microscope. This handheld digital microscope features a built-in 4-inch screen, eliminating the need to strain your eyes. It presents the microscopic world directly in front of you, making observation easy and intuitive. With a built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, you can take it anywhere. It's perfect for exploring the natural world, and it's also a great educational tool for kids. Featuring 2MP resolution and 1080 FHD picture quality, this microscope offers up to 80x magnification. The built-in adjustable LED lights provide ample illumination for detailed viewing. Weighing only 220 g, this microscope is incredibly lightweight and portable. It comes with a wrist strap and carrying bag, making it easy for anyone, even children, to carry it on the go. It's also great for adults, perfect for coin inspection or soldering. You can capture photos and videos of your discoveries using the included micro SD card, and share your findings with family and friends. Easily connect it to your Windows or Mac computer via USB. Use the provided software to view images and videos on your computer, and share your microworld discoveries with ease. You'll receive the handheld microscope, a 32GB micro SD card, a USB cable, a wrist strap, a carrying bag, and an instruction manual. Plus, you'll have access to 24-hour professional after-sales service. What we like? This microscope has a built-in LCD screen for direct viewing, and a rechargeable battery for on-the-go use. It also allows you to capture photos and videos of your discoveries. If you are looking for a portable microscope with a screen and the ability to record your findings, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The screen and optics are perfect for what I need. The images are crisp and clear and the ergos are just right. If you consider the lighted base, it really is a complete system. Number 2. LINKMICRO Kids 300x Handheld Digital Microscope. Introducing the LINKMICRO Kids Microscope. It's designed for young explorers. This cool microscope will spark their curiosity and make science fun. This microscope features a 2-inch LCD screen and a built-in bracket. It's also incredibly portable and lightweight, making it easy to take anywhere. They can explore the world around them with ease. It's not just for viewing, it captures high-definition images and videos. They can save their discoveries on the included SD card and share them with friends. Plus, it connects to a computer. This STEM kit is easy to use. They can hold it, use the stand, or place it on the included slides. This enhances their hands-on skills and encourages exploration. The kit includes the microscope, USB cable, SD card, slides, an observation box, and more. It's a complete package for young scientists, and we offer caring after-sales service. What we like? This microscope features a 2 LCD screen and is incredibly portable and lightweight. It comes with a variety of accessories, including prepared slides and a memory card. If you have children who are just starting to explore the world of microscopy and want a complete kit, this is an excellent option. What people say. The set of slides is a nice mix of things, and the little bug holder and folding legs for the microscope, along with the necklace-style carrier, make the product really versatile. Zooms in smoothly and allows you to see details well. This camera microscope is easier to use than a traditional microscope. When my younger children try to use our traditional microscope, I end up having to focus and position every slide for them. With this, I can set them loose on slides or objects and they can do all of that themselves. Number 1. SVBONY SV603 Pocket Microscope. Have you ever wondered what the world looks like up close? This pocket microscope allows you to explore the hidden details of everyday objects. It's a powerful tool and a compact design. This microscope is small enough to fit in your pocket, making it perfect for on-the-go exploration. You can take it with you anywhere and discover the wonders of the microscopic world. It's incredibly convenient. Equipped with high-quality optics, this microscope provides clear and detailed images. You'll be amazed by the level of detail you can see. It brings the unseen world into focus. The SV603 is designed for ease of use, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Simply place the object under the lens and adjust the focus. It's simple and intuitive. With this pocket microscope, you can explore a variety of specimens, from plant cells to insects. It's a great way to learn and discover the hidden beauty around us. It opens up a whole new world. What we like? This pocket microscope is easy to use and affordable. It's designed for quick observations on the go. If you are looking for a simple, easy to use and affordable option, this is the one for you. What people say. It's such a good magnification. Zoom is pretty good as well as the focus. Got for my boyfriend to look at his plants with. Daughter uses it to look at fabrics. Nice light too. Overall, this is a good handheld microscope. The wide field of view is convenient, with little distortion. The LED has 2 brightness settings, and lights specimens evenly. The dials turn smoothly and with enough resistance to ensure precise adjustment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.